So the next level now is to animate on scroll. So we want to fade in these headings. Okay, so let's find that one. So animate on scroll. So here we go. Let's go to the GitHub. Okay, so we need to add in the style sheet. So if we go to the heading, and then right before the closing body tag, just copy all of those. Okay, so right before the closing body tag, we paste that in, and then what we would like to do is set it on certain divs or elements. So here, for example, what I decided to do, well, let's test it out. So fade up. So we go to the very first heading, which is this one. Okay, so if we paste that in, let's see if it works straight away. So refresh, there you go, fade up, nice. And then we just do the same for the form. So fade up, and they're both fading up. Okay, I can't remember if I was, let's see how I did it on here. Yes, okay, but what I've added is a slight delay. So what we'll do is we'll go to delay. Actually, what I did do is set all of them to a delay of about 300. So if we go to our script tag, curly brackets, and I think it was delay, yeah, it must be delay. So the general delay is going to be about 300. So let's see what happens there. Okay, nice, so they're both doing it, but we want to have a delay on the form. So what we want to add a second attribute on there. Where are you? Here we are. So we want to add a second attribute on there, and let's make that 350. There you go. Whoa, so that is pretty neat. So that's pretty cool. So now we can just do the same for the other text. Okay, so let's just get these. Okay, so for this heading, there is no delay on that heading, but there will be a delay on here, and there will be even more of a delay on the next paragraph. So this will be 400. Okay, so command refresh, scroll down, fade, 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 nice. Okay, this one we also want it to fade up. So the next section, and there we go. Don't need the delay on that one. Okay, so if we command refresh, fade in, that fades in, nice. Okay, so here what we're going to do, we're not going to fade in everything one by one here. We're going to fade in the heading and then fade in the whole wrapping div. So we need to add a delay on that. So here we'll put, so here we'll just delete that, and then on the whole div we'll put a delay of 350. So if we go down, nice. Okay, we'll do the same for this one. So we go to the heading, we delete that one. On the main wrapping div, we'll then put 350. So now we can scroll down. Okay, so right down, these two seem pretty close, so let's just see what I can do. So write down your goals, padding bottom. Okay, they don't seem to be too bad. So again, we want to do the same for the heading, and then the whole div actually this is a bit different because let's see. What if we then, let's see how that looks. Okay, that looks fine. There we go. Okay, and then the last one, we just put the same thing, but without a delay. Whew, okay, so we've done quite a lot. So if we scroll down, see that fade, that nice fade again. And the very last one, we are going to animate to the different pages. And this one is not working right now. So what we're going to use is a library called swap. So if we go to installation, we'll just get this from the package. So again, we are just going to go to your, we are just going to go here and we'll paste that in. But actually we want to put that at the bottom. So after this, paste that in. And then we want to do this const swap. We're going to put that in the script tag that we created at the beginning. So we just do script and source script.js, command B to open Explorer. So in here we'll just paste that in, command save. Now from what I remember correctly is we need to if we go to JavaScript, I assume this is JavaScript usage. So what we need to do is an example. Okay, yeah. So if we go to our main tag, we need to put in swap and transition fade. Okay, so we quickly go to the main tag, and we don't have a main tag, so we're going to introduce this after the header. So main, and then right before the footer, because we don't want the footer to change, we only want the sections to change. Yeah, we don't want the header and the footer to change. So there we go. So that has the main now. And then we want to follow this. So you got the slash and then some other page. Okay, so this will be index.html. This will be about.html, work.html, contact.html, and I forgot the slash and slash. So, and then we just need to get these CSS classes, which is to fade it in and out. So we just go to our style, and then we just paste that in here. Okay, don't have a prettifier on. We go back to the index file. So let's have a quick look. So let's see if anything happens. Oop, nothing happened there. Cannot get. Okay, that's interesting. So it cannot get anything. Let's see, is swap enabled? If we inspect, swap enabled. Okay, so it looks like we still have to do something, which I might have done something wrong. And the reason why is because I didn't even create an about, work or contact page. Hey, very clever. So okay, see the anyway, no, all right, so we'll copy, command C, command V, and we'll do that another 2 times. So here we'll just rename that to about, and rename that to work, and the last one is contact. So what we do, we'll just put in the title contact, and in here we're just going to change the heading and the image. So here we'll just put contact, and we're going to change the image, which was the one of the messages. So let's see, so Eastwood, I think it was no comments. Let's see which one that will be. And then what we'll do is we'll delete all of these other sections. Let's see if this works nicely. So we're not going to need all of these. Let's see how. Delete all of that. Oh, okay, that done it. Come on, save. Actually, I probably could have. What I'll do, I'll copy all of this. Actually, no. Let's see how that image is. So about. Okay, contact. There we go. Okay, so it's not that image. The image that we want is, let's see, Eastwood, was it no messages? That's the one. Okay, and you can see that worked as well. So if we go to hero and we go to contact, nice. Okay, so now we just need to do this for the other two pages and we are done. So let's Command A, Command C, Command A, delete. We'll just paste all of that in. We'll change that to about, and we just change that to about, and we'll get a different picture. Let's say fatal error. Command S. And that is a really cool illustration. So you go to hero, you scroll down, you got that fade. Let's go to about, it's got that fade, contact, and then the last page we need to do is work. So now we've built a nice 3-page, 4-page site. Work. So in here we just go work, and then we just change the image again, just so we know we're in a different page. Let's say page under construction. Let's see which image that is. Okay, we don't want that because we already got that. It'd be nice if there was if you hover, it will show you what the image is. Was it uploading? Yeah. Okay, it's not that one. That doesn't really matter, but let's find one. Searching's quite, yeah, might do searching actually. Payment process, yeah, this one's pretty cool. There we go. Okay, so let's see this in all its glory now. So go hero, let's scroll down. There we go. So again, these illustrations are from Icon 8 and they're free. We should put a link in there, but I'm obviously saying it in the video. So these are really awesome. This style I really love as well. If we go to the other pages, you got about, it's got that nice fade page transition using swap.js. And how about it? We managed to do that in under an hour. I mean, that is pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a very simple HTML CSS template. We added in some JavaScript, a very easy JavaScript, only in maybe a couple of minutes. And we can fade in headings and text. We can add delays so we can decide which ones to fade in after. And also we did some page transitions as well. So you go from different pages, you have a nice fade in and out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.